Hello! We have this fan here. It's really hot outside, so I have to stay cool, but I don't know, I have this in my hand. Hold on. So I'm gonna plug her in and see if I can stay cool. Alrighty, let's go! Aw, man. That a bounce? Aw, man. Gotta fix that. We got a tool here that might help fix it. Aw, man. I know that was gonna happen. Oh, the fin came out. Aw, man. Gotta get rid of that fin. See if I can get it out of there. Gone for like getting the screwdriver, so. Oh, here you go. You got fixes it today. Oh. Okay. Hold the camera there to help get that fin out of there. Oh. Come on. Out of there. Come on. I'm angry. Oh, be careful, guys. Don't want to cut yourself on this piece of plastic. I gotta fix it. Let me see if I can fix that proper good. There you go. See if it likes to half a golf ball. Oh. I fixed it. Oh. Keep falling over. Maybe denties, what happens? Oh man. Oh. These pens keep moving, so I have to move these. Thank you, how did you have with that? Put that there for a second. It's actually bouncing out pretty well, actually. Back for Gudra. I don't want to beat Gudra up more. Gudra. Oh! Oh, now I'm a mess to pick up now. This freaking fan with that plastic. Oh, keep going. This will turn. Yeah, it's going! Plugged. I don't want to destroy the wrong one, that would suck. Oh, yeah! Let's see if I can fix that so it's not doing that. I know, I'm fixing you right now. Go. Get the other half all out. Well, mess it up. Still recording? Still going. Oh, jittering. That's jittering. Oh man. The fins are just breaking more. Oh, locked up. Oh, there you go. Fucking golf ball. Freaking golf ball. Pretty for a trooper. Well, you don't want to be a trooper. Oh. I'm probably gonna unplug it because I try to get executed. Let me get rid of the stupid dial first. Oh, Oh, we have a mess to pick up out there. Beautiful. What happened? Oh man. Never knew it anyway. There you go. Okay, I'm unplugging that now. Before it catches on fire. Okay. Make sure ours still work. Ours still work, okay. Now time for the fun part, guys. Pick up the mess. Thing makes me angry. The mess is so fun. The thing's unplugged, so Christian doesn't want to die from the electrical shock. So let's finish off the motor. There you go. Doing that. Stop it, Phillips. Okay. Looking at doesn't look really healthy anymore. Oh god, it's warm. That motor's warm. Feel bad for Gudra especially on this thing. That's the best way to get rid of it. Pretty much just shower the shit out. That was the most fun we had, but who knows when. You know, the stupid frames you can't do anything with. All plastic. So the best way is throw them in the dumpster and get rid of them. This thing's not going away yet. It did on good purpose, but it has to go so that the thing snapped on me, so guess what? Oh, I love the big plastic everywhere. That's slouching! That's slouching! Get rid of that stupid motor. Yeah, this thing likes to slouch. Get rid of that frame. I feel so bad for Gudra on this painting. I'm gonna give Gudra to clean up here. Stop slouching! Nope, stop it. Things are fine. That was fun. Yeah, I'm just have this shitty motor. I'll look at tools to cut this, but I'm lazy, so we're gonna just get rid of it. And it's soldered. Yeah, I can't rip it off. I'm gonna just keep twisting it. There we go. Now the whole motor system can go. Now this is kind of metal, this is kind of garbage now. Clean all this off on the floor. Makes cleanup a lot easier. Oh god, Future's not gonna be happy after this. There you go. Yeah, that's my fan. I'm not smashing that fucker. Bye.